I couldn't resist bringing these home because I have been waiting for this to come available again for the longest time. So this is an evergreen magnolia that is narrow. So it's like the southern magnolia, so it's the evergreen. So it has the large, leathery, deep green leaves, and that kind of fuzzy underneath, the indumentum. And this variety is called Alta, and I've used it once. I used it on a client project, and I haven't seen that one for a number of years, but I was able to follow it closely for several years, and it was very slow, very narrow. This one, if you read the tag, it's going to say that it is going to potentially get 9 feet wide. I don't know if that's the case. Either way, it is definitely smaller or narrower than the straight species. And yay, it is out and it's unavailable. This is just in my holding area, and I couldn't help but kind of look at this second bit, which is always thinking about what I might plant with it. This is a pittosporum that I picked up, which would be a gorgeous complement for, and very effective in terms of creating an evergreen screen with both of those together.